Let's learn animals and their sounds. The sound of cat, the sound of dog, the sound of lion, the sound of monkey, the sound of elephant, the sound of cow, the sound of rat, the sound of sheep, the sound of goat, the sound of pig, the sound of tiger, the sound of bear, the sound of hen, the sound of frog, the sound of camel, the sound of horse, the sound of giraffe, the sound of peacock, the sound of snake, the sound of owl, the sound of sparrow, the sound of crow, the sound of bee, the sound of deer, the sound of rooster, the sound of kangaroo, the sound of rabbit, the sound of wolf, the sound of duck, the sound of donkey.